I feel like I'm being hunted right now. Of course, now he's not going to act for the camera. He's like, never mind. Never mind. I'm trying to get the video scheduled for tomorrow. And I got the fan on blowing on me because I'm doing laundry and the heat from the dryer is coming on up here. And he's just going to sit here and stare. It's another rainy day today. Like, no. Hi. It's the Beanie Babes. Hi. What are you doing? Just sleeping all day, sleeping and eating. It's like, that's all I do, Mama. I like to sleep and eat. It's been a dark, dreary day, which has put me in a crabby mood. Been in little Miss Crabby Pants all day. It's like, ugh. Everything sucks. Ugh. It's been yucky weather for the past week. Oh. Got a bigger. Ha! Oh, thank you. Oh, I hear your father.